Hi, this is Nick from Lipscomb Fiat. I'm just going to show you around this 2021 model year Fiat Panda. It's a 1 litre hybrid version, finished in Mediterranean blue. And this is the latest specification Panda. Let's take a look inside. So inside the Panda we've got this attractive looking interior trim, which has got like a brush grey cloth with the dark cloth inserts. This one's got a height adjustable driver's seat. Comes with a 6-speed gearbox as it's the hybrid engine. It's also got air conditioning, and it now comes with a radio with USB, so you can plug in your phone or music and play that through the car. It's got the contrasting grey dashboard there. Let's just show you around the rest of the car. So going around the rest of the car, the Panda comes with the smart fuel system, which means you don't have a fuel cap. It's nice and easy to use. It's got electronic opening rear boot with a good sized boot in the Panda. And this one's fitted with the silver wheel trims. Very practical and functional car. And this car is in stock, available for immediate delivery.